Hello everyone, welcome to Keats Auto and Truck Repair. Today we have a 2012 Honda Accord with a 2.4 liter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on this vehicle. This light comes on when the engine is due for an oil change. We already changed the oil on this engine, so now we're going to reset the light. I'm going to start the engine so I can show you what light I'm talking about. So as you can hear, the engine is running. So the light I'm talking about is this light over here. I hope you can see this wrench. So this wrench over here is our maintenance required light. When this wrench comes on the dash, it means the engine is due for an oil change. So now to erase that, what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the engine. We're going to turn the key on, and then we're going to use this button over here on the dash to erase that light. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press this button here once, so trip A and then trip B, and then until we see service. Once we see service A, we're going to press and hold this button. Okay, as you can see, the service A is starting to flash. We're going to let off, and then we're going to press and hold this button again. So right there, our oil life is reset up to 100%, and the wrench that was illuminated over here is gone. Okay, so we're good to go. So now I'm going to start the engine. All right. So I'm going to leave this right over here. This is how you reset the maintenance required light on a 2012 Honda Accord. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumb down. But if you do, you got to tell me why so we can make better videos in the future. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.